Have you ever experienced that you manifest something and after some time that manifestation goes away from your life? You desire something so much, you put your heart and soul, you apply tools, techniques, and after that manifestation, boom, it's gone. And then you wonder, why is it happening with me? If you have experienced this, or if you want to know the answer, this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to explain you why does your manifestation go away and what to do about it. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And I know all of you are excited and all of you are going forward in your life and manifesting. But when so many of you are manifesting, often so many of you keep writing to me like, AJ, I manifested this thing and then after some time it went away from me. Why is it happening? Why is it happening? And it's happened in all kind of cases. It happened with money, it happens with relationship, it happens in dream job, it happens in all kind of areas. And there are two major reasons for it. The first reason is, when you set your mind, when you set your goal on something and desire to attract it, in most cases, it's just to quick fix your life. And that is why you have attracted the wrong thing, wrong people, wrong opportunity. And that is the reason you apply tools, techniques, you put your heart and soul for some time into it. And because law of attraction, because the universe is responding to your vibration and you so strongly focusing on it that you attract that thing, people and opportunity in your life, but it turns out to be the wrong one. And after some time, even if you try to hold on to that manifestation, it goes away. And that's when you feel sad. That's when you feel unhappy. For example, if you are very unhappy in your job and you just want to manifest another job, but you are so desperate that you just want any job. You just want any job at any cost. And many people make this mistake. At that point, they just keep searching for a job and they apply every place possible. They don't take time and energy to even think about what kind of job they want, what kind of opportunity they want, what were the things they were struggling in their current job or in past jobs that you don't want to do it again, and what kind of positive experience they want to have. They just want to run away from the current job and just want to get another job. So you focus, apply tools, techniques, you manifest the new job. But after getting into the job, you realize, okay, it is one more job that sucks. Yes, one more job that has a lot of negativity. Maybe not the same kind of negativity that you were having in the previous job, but with new negativities. And then after some time, you stay happy for a few days because you got a new job. And then after being in that new job for 1 month, you realize it's the wrong one. And then you again get sad and you start cursing yourself. You start telling yourself that it's your bad luck, why the universe is doing this with you. And then you become sad. The universe is doing nothing wrong with you. Remember, like attracts like. With your frequency of attraction, only you have attracted this new job. But because your frequency and the like, you were in so much of negative vibration that you have attracted another job with the negativity. Same with relationships. So many people are single or heartbroken and they just decided that, oh, I want a relationship, I want a relationship, I want a relationship. Boom, you get a relationship because that's the only thing that you are looking for. And then the relationship turns out to be a negative one. And then you wonder and the person goes away or it becomes so difficult. You want to walk out of the relationship and then you start cursing yourself. Then you start telling yourself that, why the hell it never works for me? Because you never worked on yourself. You never set a desire clearly. You never set your goals clearly. And that is the number one reason why, even if you believe in the law of attraction, even if you are applying tools, techniques, but you manifest things, but it goes away from you. That is the number one reason. And this is why most people struggle. Now the second reason is you work out on your dream, you set your goals, desires, dreams clearly, and you apply tools, techniques and processes, you set your vibration, you be positive, you stay excited, you focus on that, and you manifest the desire. Perfect. That's the best kind of manifestation. You did all the right thing until the manifestation. But the biggest mistake you do after the manifestation. Once you manifest that job, that money, that business success, that relationship, that thing, after that, you don't maintain that frequency and vibration of manifestation and attraction continuously. That's why it goes away. Now, if you are confused, here it is. You manifest the job, you set the goal, what kind of dream job you want, what all you want, what the salary, all the good things, everything. Or you set clarity, what kind of relationship you want, what kind of person, how you want to experience everything. Fantastic. Or you set the idea, what kind of business you want, how you want to serve the customer, everything. You set it. And then you apply all the tools, techniques, processes, upgrade your skill, getting a better person, doing everything, and then you manifest it. The universe responds to you, you manifest it. Great. You become very happy. Now you have the job or the relationship or the business or the money and everything. But after that, because you manifested it, you achieve it, now you get complacent. Now your energy goes down. Now you are no more excited. Now you are no more happy. Now you are no more putting effort. Now you are no more putting positive attraction. Now you are no more investing energy positively to make the things better and better and better and better and better. That is why I said law of attraction is not a quick fix. Law of attraction is the way of life, and you should be using it to make it better and better and better every single day in every single area in your life. You manifest the dream job, but after joining the dream job, if you don't work there, if you don't feel excited after joining at the office, you be there for a month and then you start hearing other people, negative people, and then you start forming your idea about office politics, this boss, that person, that colleague, and you start accumulating all the negativity. You start hating your job. And you forget that how much positive energy you have invested in this job to manifest it, and now you start hating this job. So even if you are at the perfect job, but slowly it becomes so negative. And then you again start wondering why my job always sucks. Same with the relationship. You focus, you become a positive person and everything is positive. You attract even a positive person, and then after some time you become complacent, and then you start taking the other person for granted, then you start complaining about them, then you start criticizing them, then you don't invest the time and energy the way you were investing before getting into the relationship. And this is why many people are struggling in their relationship, and many relationships are not working out, because before building the relationship, before getting into the committed relationship or the manifestation part, people put a lot of effort, but after that they take the other person for granted. They don't stay that positive. And if you have attracted a positive person, optimistic person, a highly driven person, being a positive person, and after being in a relationship, if you become a sad, depressed, worried, negative, pessimistic person, the relationship is not going to work, because a positive person and a negative person cannot go hand in hand. Same way in job. And one of the classic example of this, the manifestation going away from you, is lottery winners. Yes, lottery winners. That is why I never advise anyone to win lottery. If you want to be rich, or if you want to create wealth, attract money, don't go for lottery, because this is the classic example of manifestation going away. People usually who are the lottery winners, they want money so much, but their vibration is not right. They don't have a positive belief about money, but they want money so much. Their idea of wanting money is much stronger than anything. So they win the lottery because that vibration is so strong that the universe has nothing else to deliver it. They win the lottery, but because their idea and the vibration for money and wealth and prosperity is not positive, so they could not able to maintain it. They could not able to respect the money. They could not able to care for the money. They could not able to use the money positively. They could not able to multiply the money positively. And within next 3 to 5 years, after winning the lottery, their lifestyle or the standard of living even goes much worse than how it was before. And it is scientifically proven. In US, there are some people who have done surveys on these things, that usually people who win lottery, big lotteries, their life after 3 to 5 years of winning lotteries even become much more financially broke than ever before. Same thing happens in relationship, in job, in businesses. So if you understand these two things, no manifestation will go away, because manifestation won't be a quick fix for you. Manifestations will be a journey. Manifestations will be milestones on your journey of life. I believe this video is an eye-opener for you, and this is one of the most important video I always wanted to share with you people, because this is the best realization and no one is talking about it. If this is an eye-opener for you, like it and let me know in the comment section. And if you have made this mistake, these two reasons, one of these two mistakes, either you have attracted the wrong job, wrong people, wrong relationship, wrong opportunities, that is why it goes away, or because you have attracted the right job, right opportunity, right businesses, right amount of money, but because you could not able to maintain that vibration, because you could not able to continue that vibration positively, that's why it goes away from you. Let me know where you were struggling in the comment section. And this is the time for you to wake up. And what is the most important thing for you to come out of these things? That first take time, have some big dreams, big idea, have a purposeful life, and then take the law of attraction, the philosophy of life, the universal attraction as your way of living, not as a quick fix, but way of living, so that you'll go in the journey of life from manifestation to manifestations, from success to success, from happiness to happiness. And that's what I want you to be. And that is why, to take you forward in 2020 to 2030, I'm coming up with an amazing, powerful, magical, super awesome program. Check the link in the description, because it's going to be a game changer in your journey forward. Because you deserve to live an amazing, big, successful life. And that's who you are gifted with. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our awesome tribe. If this video has inspired you, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.